This is the Inateck 3-in-1 camera drone backpack, and I think I want to show you. Well, yeah, obviously I am going to show you right now in a few seconds. Quick overview as we did with the other bag. We've got nice pocket there. This is definitely tougher material. Pocket there. Grab handle on the top, which is a very nice feature on the other. This just has the one, although it feels a lot more reinforced. The other one was decent too. Bottle, umbrella, tripod pocket, whatever you want right there. But if we flip over, you'll see one that is specifically marked for your tripod. It does have a little pocket here, which I guess you can put filters, etc. This opens up and you've actually got a nice little pouch there, so your monopod tripod can go all the way down there and you can cinch it in with this piece here. You might want to add a little bit more security on the top with a carabiner, as I do, but that's well thought out. The bottom, no grip per se, and the top, you got a bit of branding there. On the flip side, nice straps there. You've got your clip there if you want to just bring it up to your body a bit more. Couple little loops there if you want to attach something. Now these will fly right out of the way, and you can see this molding here to give you a little bit more comfort on the back. You've got this nice piece here which allows you to stick this on top of your suitcase, but down here we've got a zip, so that's a pocket there, which maybe if you're going through an airport, you want some documents or bits and pieces nice and close, you can have that right there too. Let's open this up then and then flip it open. Now at this end we do have a pouch for a decent sized laptop. I like this piece here, feels like it's waterproof. Now of course this whole bag is not strictly waterproof, so you've got a raincoat there for want of a better word, and there's the inside. Nice, very configurable setup. You can take all of this out if you want. Get your lenses in there, your cameras there, or reconfigure it for a drone. Imagine a Mavic there, which I don't own, which would be cool. Somebody send me one, please. I mean, we really need to see if the Mavic fits in there. I mean, it does, but yes. A lot of space, no surprises. That's a nice amount of space there and very customizable. So we zip that back up there. No surprises. The other bag that we looked at had a lot of surprises. To secure this a bit more, I'll potentially put a padlock on there. Yes, the old biro straight down the zipper negates all that, but just one extra step to stop a thief. Nice, simple bag. Now, I'm not a tall guy, so as you've already seen, it's pretty big for me. But this can hold a lot of stuff that I use, particularly on a wedding. More than anything, this could actually carry everything that I need. If you've seen my other video about what's in my event photography bag, it might be a squeeze for this one, but for a wedding, I think we'll get everything in this nicely. And I may well be moving over and just using this bag. I think it's a decent looker. But let me get to grips with it a bit more and I'll let you know. Just on my way back from a shoot in Kenilworth, I was shooting an esports player, so the bag came with me. We got a tripod on the side. Everything's in there packed behind there. We've got a backdrop, some stands, some clips, the usual stuff. But we're here to talk about the bag again. And frankly, it did its job. I mean, yeah, I'm in the car, so I'm not moving around too much. But between the house and the house of the subject, no problem at all, dead comfy, and I was able to get everything in there and access everything during the shoot that I needed to. Now, it was a very simple shoot, very cool, very easy to get through, but you know, this bag was able to deal with it with no problem. Not exactly rigorous environments, but you know, we filled it up with the necessaries and the extras. So we've got the T3 in there, we've got the T2 in there, we've got a whole load of batteries, we've got two
V862F flashes. We've got another lens in there, my USB battery pack in there, which is charging up my phone at the moment. My phone was in there as well. Lens cloth. We got bits and pieces, not really an unbagging, kind of, not even unbagging, but you know what I mean. It's just there, everything fit nicely, comfortably. I could get in and out the house easy. I could have all me, you know, me food, me hygiene, me bits and pieces in the other pockets, and it just did its job. That's the thing with a bag, it should pretty much go unnoticed. You should be able to just put it on, go, everything's safe. Nothing moves, it feels comfortable on your back. I could use this on, you know, trips if I go down to London or up north and I'm on the train and I need all my gear. I'm comfortable with that. I mean, the tripod on the side, if you want to sit the thing down, it's a bit awkward, but if you're just carrying it, you can pop that little tab down and pop it in there, nice and handy. Yeah, pretty happy. I mean, I'd like it to be a bit shorter, but then I wouldn't get all the stuff in it and I'd have to take lenses off bodies and stuff like that. But yeah, works fine. Also pretty discreet looking thing. So, you know, I think that's enough of this little pit stop. I've had my banana, my protein bar. Now I need to go get a drink on the way home and edit these shots. This bag doing the job. Check out the link below. Let us know in the comments if you've seen anything in this price range that could compete. If not, I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.